Not all foils are created equally. Some foils are different, meaning they're thicker, and some are thinner. I don't know if you can tell, but like, it's so soft. Foils like this are going to be really easy to work with. They're going to have nice full transfers. And this foil, you can even hear it. It's a lot thicker because the type of pigments used to create the different foils matter, and that sometimes affects how soft or thin the foil is. So for example, this one, these holographic foils are ultra thin and very soft, but sometimes when you're working with thicker foils, what you're really going to need is a different type of adhesive, and I'm going to show you in a little bit the different types that we are going to be working with. When you're working with a thicker foil, you're going to want to use something like the nail foil glue that we sell online. That is going to give you the best transfer because it's nice and thick. It's going to give you a much more even full coverage transfer. When you're working with really thin foils like this, you can use the sticky base coat. 1 coat of sticky base coat. And that will help adhere our foil. And voila! I did it! Look at that. Nice, pretty transfer.